Guys, do you want to create an AI images like this? N number of people are creating their own AI images and earning lots of money using this AI tool. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Code Riders. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can create or generate AI images using the AI tool called Midjourney. So let's move further and let's see how we can do this. So now first of all we will come in the browser and we will search Midjourney. So this page will get open. This is Midjourney official page. So we just need to click on join the beta, and if you don't have Discord account, you need to create a Discord account to join this server. After creating an account, you will get this interface. It's loading right now. See, it is now load up and you can see we are in the Midjourney server and number of people are creating their own AI images. So now we will also create our own AI image. So just you have to come down here and click on the newbies room. You have to join this room. So I've joined this room. See, here also people are creating their AI images. So we will also create. You just need to come down here and just you have to type /imagine. So you can see upward. This is the prompt will get open. So just click on the prompt and now we need to type what image we want and what thing we need to generate. So I'm going to generate a Nike shoes. I'm a big fan of Nike shoes, so I'm going to generate an AI image of a Nike shoes. Let's see how it will generate. So I will give a color black, red, green and blue, and just I will press enter and let's see what Midjourney does. So now it will generate our image. So see here it's generating. It will take some time to load up clearly. So we will wait. So now it's 62% complete. Let's wait more. And I guess it's ready. See, it has created us a 4 Nike shoes images. This U1, U2, U3 is a upscale version. If we click on U4, it will generate a upscale version of a U4, and V1, V2, V3 and V4 are the versions. So we will just click upscale U4. So it will give us an upscale image. See, it has given us an upscale image. So we will try to download this image. So first we will open it in the browser and we will save this image. So now it will get downloaded. So now I will try to create one more AI image. So let's see. I have a prompt ready. So I will copy this prompt and I will come back and paste here. So now let's see what it will create for us. So actually I've used the Iron Man using a laptop. So see, it's generating us Iron Man is working on his laptop. A baby Iron Man it is. So it's looking so good. You can create your own also. So I will copy the other one. I will come back again here. And again I will type imagine prompt. And I will just paste the prompt again. So it's a prompt of a queen, Prince of Persia queen. So let's see how it will create now. See, many people are using our prompt also. So you can also copy others prompt and create our own different AI image using the prompt. So see it generating us a image of a queen of Prince of Persia. So let's wait. See, it has generated us the image. It's looking so cool. It's looking very beautiful. So now I will show you another way of generating our AI image. So I will come here and I will search for a laptop. We will now create a laptop image, AI image. So I will search laptop. I will go in images and I will search for an image. Let's see which image we want, a good image. So I will go and search for a gaming laptop. Get good images now. So let's see what we will choose. So now I will choose this image. I will copy the image address. I will just come here and I will just paste the address. And from here I will copy the address again and I will come back in the prompt and I will just paste the image link and I will just type gaming laptop. So what this will do, it will take the reference from the link and generate us the AI image. So let's see what it will generate. So where it gone? No, down. So yeah, here it's generating. We will wait for some time. So you can see it has created a reference, taking the reference from that link, and now it's generating us an image. So it's done now. Where it is? Oh, it's here. See, it has given us a different images what we have pasted. So you can also do this and sell these images on the freelance platform like Fiverr. See, many people are just doing this and earning lots of money. See, charging thousands for just a one AI generated post. So you can also create an account on Fiverr and you can also do this. You can also create AI generated image and you can also sell it. So in the further videos we are going to create a website design using the AI. See, I will show you one demo how we are going to create a website using this AI generated image. So in the further video we will see more on Midjourney also. So please you guys subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So please like, comment and share with your friends. I have already created so many videos on ChatGPT also. You can see here, you can check this out also. So thanks for watching again. Till then, keep riding.